Leilani, one of the models that I've worked with in the past, is gonna come over today, and I will be doing a Christmas holiday look on her. I hope you guys enjoy it. Any makeup starts great with a great base, which is a great moisturizer. Anyway, has great skin, so check these amazing freckles here. Come on. Don't be shy, you're amazing. You look great.
Thank you.
But moisturizer is the key of achieving a great makeup.
My face and
right?
my shoulders are like two completely different colors.
That's fine. Really, we'll just make them even now. I'm choosing a very light foundation because I don't want to cover Leilani's beautiful freckles. I just want to add her a little bit of color. Don't be shy. You look great.
Thank you.
Of course. And Beauty Blender is damp. Obviously. Don't use it. I think I've told you before that, or I don't know what. I told everybody, how do you use your Beauty Blender?
I think after that first time we did it, you told me about damp beauty blenders that changed my life. Literally changed my life.
Seriously, because otherwise it doesn't feel like a hard curl, but it's going to absorb all the moisturizer from your foundation. So basically when you have it and put it on your skin, you'll just deposit only pigment. It's not going to have any moisturizer, and it's going to be so hard to try blending that out. So gorgeous. Freckles. I love your freckles. Okay. I'm gonna mix two concealers because I like mixing.
Which concealers are those?
These are the Nars ones, the creamy radiant concealers.
I'm so pale.
No, you're not pale. I'm mixing them. You're not pale at all. Come on. She's from Hawaii. She's not pale at all.
Oh.
Look up. Please.
Every time I go home, my parents are always like, "Are you okay?
Are you eating well?"
Are you eating okay? Yeah. You look a little pale.
Yes, I live in America.
We
love sunscreen.
I live in a very cold place.
With loads of wings.
Yeah.
Here, actually, when you see sun, you should be happy that day.
I know.
Because you don't know when you'll see next time.
I know. Like today it's so nice outside. I was like, oh my god, it's sunny.
Oh my gosh, is it?
Yeah, it's really nice out.
We've actually been here for a while inside, so I haven't.
You have no idea what it looks like outside.
When we came, there was no sun.
Oh yeah, it was still a little cloudy dark. Just go for a walk today.
Aww. With your makeup.
Yes, I'm just gonna walk outside. Hey everyone, look at my face.
Hey, Alex did my makeup. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna extend it on the wings of the nose, around the nose. Those are areas where we actually get really red, especially throughout the winter. Winds, blowing our noses.
The tip of my nose always
And the
is
tip
like
of the-
really bright red.
I think everybody gets really bright red there. Seriously. With brows, before starting the eyes, I all the time do brows because I want to see exactly how they frame the face and how much space I have left for doing makeup. And I'm using really gentle strokes. Brushing them up. By using gentle strokes, you'll always get a more gentle brow and you deposit less color than if you just push it really hard. Like if you're just lightly doing this motion instead of this. I think you can probably see it.
Yeah. I feel like
Really light and heavy.
yeah. I don't know how to do that. Mine always ends up being like a hard line, so it always looks
Probably
like
you should keep your pencil a little bit further to the end, because if you keep it from here, you'll obviously have so much control of it.
So it's
and
just like
you'll-
hard lines.
Yes. Try just to move your hand towards the end of the pencil, and I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to push that hard on your pencil anymore.
I like shaved off half my eyebrow once when I was in middle school because I thought it would, because I was trying to get like the unibrow part and I didn't have tweezers.
Oh my god.
So I shaved off like this much of my eyebrow.
Oh wow.
I still have pictures of it. I looked crazy.
Oh my gosh. What your mom said.
She was like, well, you did it to yourself. So she's
Enjoy
like,
your life.
yeah, she was like, I'm not gonna go get your eyebrows done with you. You're just gonna be stuck like that until it's healed. And I was like, well,
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
just gonna be embarrassed for the rest of my life, I guess.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Because this is a holiday look, we are going to use a base, an eyeshadow base to hold the shadow in place. And I'm gonna just lightly dab it all over the lid till the brow bone. And I'm doing this with my finger. You can do it with a brush, you can do it with whatever you please, but I think you'll lose a lot of product in your brush. Close. I'm using this color from Cozzette. I think it's called Allure, if I'm not mistaken. It's a champagne color that looks great on most skin tones. Obviously, it's not gonna look great on deeper skins. You'll have to find a deeper shade or something that has more gold. Open. For her crease color, I'm gonna blend these three colors because I like blending. But if you have to choose, probably choose the middle color. Open and look straight ahead.
When I was younger, I used to hate the beach, and then yeah.
And you're from Hawaii, and you hated the beach.
Yeah, and then once I moved to Chicago, I decided that I loved the beach, and it was already too late. 'Cause I was like going to college here,
Oh man.
stuck here for 4 years. And my parents were like, "Well, you're out of luck. Have fun."
Look straight ahead. a small square brush. I'm just gonna work the under eye. Are your contacts fine?
Yeah, they're fine. You have a very gentle touch.
Oh. So I'm not abusing her. I'm all good. Extreme hand. I'm just gonna emphasize a little bit the crease. Close first. And the outer corner. Because it's Christmas and we are going out.
We are going out.
Look straight ahead. Blending these eyeshadows really, really well.
Do you have a favorite brush, like brush company, like brush maker?
I have a lot of brushes. It's hard because for what? A favorite brush for
For
what?
like eyeshadows.
Oh, for eyeshadows? For I had it just now here. A flat brush. This one is from Smith Cosmetics, and what is really nice about it is that you see it has this
Little
tip,
Yeah.
and you can go in the inner corner really easily.
Huh. I like this a lot.
Yep, and it's natural hair as well.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. Alrighty.
Smith Cosmetics.
Thank you.
Sure.
Like your kit is always so organized, and I don't know how you like.
How do I keep it together?
Yeah, how do you keep it together? Because it's so much stuff.
Sometimes you just have to keep it together. Because it sucks when you don't have it together.
Yeah, and you can't find anything.
When I was studying at the makeup school home, one time one of the teachers said, imagine, actually be as organized as if something was to happen to you on a set or something, somebody else can carry your job from your kit, and he can actually know what's in every single bag without rumbling around too much.
That's really good advice.
Yeah. Now I'm actually putting a black pencil. This is from Urban Decay. Open. Close. And we are not doing an eyeliner look. So I'm just gonna smudge it and give more definition.
What kind of brush do you use to smudge?
I'll show you in a second.
Once my eyes are not closed.
Yeah. You can even use a Q-tip, honestly.
Really?
Yep. Something that has a round, pointed end would be good, or something that's small.
Because I love like smudged eyeliner, and I have never been able to do it.
Open. So something either that's pointy as this one, either something that's like this.
Oh, okay.
Something that's really small, even smaller than these ones,
Okay.
would work perfectly.
These are really nice.
Gonna curl your lashes, look down.
I have like the straightest lashes in the world.
Is this comfortable? You should always ask whomever sits in your chair if it's comfortable before actually pressing the lash curler.
Yeah, I've definitely had times where like somebody doesn't say anything and then it ends up like pinching my eyelid and it hurts so bad.
That's really bad. You know? There's no Christmas without a red lip, right? There shall be Christmas.